Anyway. There.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Kent, and we're Living Light RV.
We are grabbing life by the tail.
Well, we have a tale to tell you, and this week it's busy.
Super busy.
We've got a ton of things to do between now and Wednesday, and then the following Monday we pick up our RV.
Woohoo!
Ow! Ow!
I can't believe it! We are so excited. We are also excited that you're joining us on this journey, and we are really looking forward to hearing your opinions and your advice on renovation and color ideas and all that kind of stuff.
So here's what we're struggling with. First of all, for 2 weeks, just 2, where are we going to park this guy?
That's right, 30-foot motorhome. We live kind of on a hill, so we can't park it in front of our house.
We've taken the tape measure to the back area, and it will not work.
Totally, so that's not going to happen. And yeah, so we're thinking, what's our plan?
We're thinking that we're going to do all of our prep work while it's parked in front of our house.
Yes.
And then for the day that we go to do the actual painting or flooring or those kinds of things, we're going to drive to probably Caballas.
Yeah.
Park in the back lot, somewhere where nobody's around.
Yeah, there's a Cabela's really close to our house, so that should be fairly simple to park it there while we're priming and painting. I said we can't paint with it's on a hill, if the motorhome's on a hill, because the drips will be all like sideways.
It'll look
so that
awesome.
won't work. So yeah, so that's our plan. So comment below and let me know what colors you like. I have a couple ideas. One of them is to do cream color with gray and red. So cream, gray, and red. The other color option would be gray with a brighter white. And blue. So those are kind of our ideas. So we'd love to hear from you if you've done any renovations also. Like, give us any tips and ideas, and do we need to sand everything? Can we just use primer? What would be the best primer? I've heard the word gripper, so I've never even looked at that. So
I think that's what we'll do.
Check that out. Yeah, give us all your advice. And if you're a content creator, hit that, obviously hit the subscribe button, but if you're a content creator, just give us a link to your video down in the comments below, so we can check out your videos on your renovation
on what you did.
Sure. Yeah
So
that's our plan.
One
Picking
more
up
thing.
on Monday. What
is going to be the name of our rig?
Yes, we have thought about a name for our motorhome. Right, should we tell them?
We can.
Oh, we don't know for sure if this is the actual name.
We have to drive it first.
We haven't driven it.
Okay, it's an it.
First of all, we know it's a she.
Bit.
No, we know
Okay.
it's a she, because
All right.
first I thought maybe it would be a boy, and then I'm like, no, it's all pink inside. It has to be a girl.
Okay.
So it's a she.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you what I'm thinking.
You
and
are?
I would love to hear your comments what
You're
you guys think about it.
blow this up right now?
I'm so bad at surprises.
She's horrible.
We're going
at
to call it
surprises.
Bessie. So Bessie the motorhome, old Bessie. And there's a little story behind that. We love watching Cars, the Cars movie. That's our favorite, one of our favorite movies, Pixar, Disney. And Bessie is the paving machine.
Yeah.
So
good and old and reliable.
Old and reliable, and nothing fancy.
Gets
nothing
the job
pretty.
done.
And we figure Bessie's going to pave the way to our adventure.
Yeah.
So we figure that's a good name for her. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. And what else?
Oh,
what
my
else have
word.
we got going on? We moved kids this weekend.
Yeah.
We had 3 kids move this weekend. So
crazy.
That was crazy. Lots and lots of furniture and up and down.
We're happy with where they got moved to, though. That's excellent.
Yeah,
It worked out so well.
They're settled, which is great. What else?
Well, we know where we're supposed to be first week of October.
Guys, this is a really cool story. I don't know if we shared this with you already before or not. Okay, so we had just seen the motorhome last week. We had sort of shaken our hands on the deal, got it all settled and done. About 10 minutes later, Kent got a text from work, and they said, hey, can you be in the Tri-Cities area in Washington in early October? And we were kind of going, I guess we can. Our house is on wheels. We can go. So that is, so we got our marching orders. So we know when we're picking up the RV. We know when we have to leave Calgary in order to get to the Tri-Cities area for the time that Kent has to be there. So that's going to be pretty exciting to have that as part of our next step in the journey. It's also distracting when people ride their bikes behind you.
That's right.
We're so new at this. We're like, awkward.
I think I booked this area for this
like a
moment.
private recording session here.
Like, come on.
Anyway, so that's pretty much our life right now. Again, another short video. We are in the throes of collecting flowers for the wedding. We're doing all of our own bouquets, so we're working on that tomorrow. Alrighty, we just got back from Costco.
Yeah, September is a crazy month.
Yeah, our daughter's getting married in 3 days, so it Okay, well, first of all, we spent the last 2 days moving everybody, which is crazy, which is why there's a whole bunch of boxes and garbage in the back of the van.
Adult children.
I know, it's been great though. So our house is
been
getting
awesome.
emptier and emptier like every day, which is fantastic. And yeah, so exciting. Today we're buying picking up flowers, buying flowers, gathering flowers from the field. I don't know if you can even see those back there.
I showed them to them.
All right. And now we're heading over to a sunflower field.
Yes.
And
Friend has said, come over to my field and pick as many flowers as you need.
Pretty awesome. What a blessing. All right. Keep up with us. It's a busy time. Woohoo!
Well, I've got sunflowers and I've also got some bees.
My sister's coming to town tomorrow. I'm so excited. We'll get this wedding done and then we'll pick up the RV and we will be so excited to show you the before tour. So we're going to do a full video on the before. I know a lot of people do like before and after at the same time, but we really want to walk through this process with you guys together.
Yeah.
So you can give us your ideas and we can just share the journey with you. So we'll give you the full Dusty Rose tour. It's going to be awesome.
And then in 2 weeks after we do the renos of while we're here and getting it ready for us, then we'll start season 1.
Yes, season 1 will start as we hit the road. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, give it a good thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for lots of RV renos and exciting things coming soon.